to be to Yahuwah. It's a rainy day. Raining pretty bad. It's been raining for a while now. About like 2 hours. I've been reading the Revelation. I've been reading a book of Revelations, and everybody's been telling me about Revelation, so I thought I'd brush it up a little bit. We did get run out of the tunnel. We get ran out of the tunnel and found this spot here real quick. About the middle of the night, still got good rest here. Of course, it's always hard in the concrete, but I got me a little piece of cardboard. Mr. Guitar Man, I saw him earlier, but then he turned away, took a left over here, took a right over there, and he ain't back yet. Saw someone climbing up that pipe last night. This one, up to that one, climbed up that, climbed the wall and got up on that thing and just went up. I don't know. Thought it was a graffiti artist or something at work, but didn't see anything like that. So here we are, Louisville. Rainy day, very rainy, thunderstorm, and there's some lightning and there's some thunder. Monday, may the guitar man come around and show me the coffee, the breakfast line. He told me there's breakfast line. Serve you get drink coffee and chill on the tables or whatever. But it is a rainy day, so I think that might change a little bit. Hallelujah. Back to Revelation. Shalom.